Hello, welcome to Kazakh learning journey. In this video, I want to show you how to use my app. So when you download it, you create your account and verify your account with your email address, and then you will be able to get the access to the materials in this app. Now let's start with flashcards. In the flashcards, I have many sections. There will be more added in the future. So let's open the first one, like as a verb. And then here you see the list of the topics of the verb. Let's open the first one. And here you see the verb. And then this icon is for the audio. When it turns blue, you can play it, and then you will hear the pronunciation of this verb. Picture, and also here if you click you can adjust the speed to make it even slower or faster. Also here you can hear the pronunciation of the example with this verb, and then here again you can adjust the speed. And also here you see the list of the words like a vocabulary translated into Kazakh. Also when you click here show answer, you will see the translation into English. And if you pay attention here, it is 1 page out of 19. So in order to go there, you just have to click here and go to the next page. Okay, now let's go back, and there are many more. Now let's go to the phrases. Nowadays I'm working on phrases, so there will be more section coming. So let's open the food, and here you see 43 phrases with audios. So make sure to go through all the, go down to open more. Another interesting part is dialogues. I have them here in 3 levels, but in the future there will be more. Let's open the beginner. You see here 20 lessons. So there are 20 dialogues. Let's open. Here you can play the audio, picture. Also you can see how long the audio is, and the Cyrillic, the Latin, and English translation. Now let's open the elementary. It's the same. Of course, as I said, there will be more phrases, more dialogues coming. Here it's 25. If you want to improve your listening skills, then you can listen to my podcast. It's available also here. Open it, and they are in 2 levels, beginner and upper intermediate. There are 14 podcast episodes. Of course, all of them have text, transcription, translation, Latin, Cyrillic, also the English translation. And then look at the interesting part here. Every sentence has the translation, has like a vocabulary. So you can just go through and look how many of them I have. There will be, of course, more, 14 for the beginners, and for the upper intermediate it's also 14. Now let's talk about something interesting. If you want to learn Kazakh from scratch, understanding the grammar and being able to express your thoughts, then I recommend you my Kazakh language master course. It is in 2 levels for beginners and elementary. Each level has 24 video lessons in high quality. So we start with the Kazakh alphabet, and each lesson has a homework here like this. So let's open one video lesson. The video lessons are here, also available on the website if you want to watch it from a bigger screen. You can play and watch it here in the full screen. And now let's open the elementary. It also has 24 video lessons with homeworks. The good news that comes with these courses, if you purchase that there will be bonus contents as texts, Kazakh texts in 5 levels. So it is from beginner to even to upper intermediate. There will be even advanced level in the future. So if you pay attention here, it's 219 lessons. It means that there are 219 texts starting from beginner. Let's open this. Here, audio, adjusting the speed of the audio. Here is the transcription in both Cyrillic Latin, and of course the translation of the words in the text. And now let's look at the another bonus content, which is Kazakh phrasebook, 1000 essentials. Here there are 29 topics. Let's see, emergency. So here 34 phrases in each the number it differs, size, shape. Also want to mention that when you want to get the access to the free materials, you have to click and then choose and then click enroll. And it's written here, it's free, so you just have to click this button enroll, and you will get access to it. You will be able to open it. So yeah, there are many other materials like Instagram video audios and Telegram audios. There are simple audios that I made. Of course, everything has the transcription, translation, and audio. So I hope you will enjoy all the materials. So if you click here, you can learn more about my course. And of course, there is a special discount for you. Okay, I hope you will enjoy. Thank you for choosing me as your Kazakh language teacher. Okay, and I'll see you in these materials.